got a bit of a surprise on reserve today. Stock checkers called up to say one of the cows had something interesting going on. And this is what we found. Hereford cow, because one of the bulls in the adjoining fields to Paul's allotment pushed through the fence in October, and 9 months later we've got ourselves a baby Hereford. Mum is not far off, but she's having a break feeding, and the calf is quite happy sat there. So there's one more cow that looks like it's going to drop a calf in the next couple of days. So fantastic place for a calf to be brought into the world, Edge Hills Nature Reserve. But we will have to take the cow and calf to a site for isolation, just because there's additional risks with dogs and visitors that we need to be putting the cow and its calf first. And this is Mum. So Mum's taking a bit of me time to feed, rest up, before she has to go back to her calf. See, she's looking a lot lighter than she did recently. And you just see the swollen teeth. Congratulations, Mum.